CIA Part 2 Study Guide 2025. Master the internal audit engagement with confidence. Are you ready to crush the CIA Part 2 exam on your first attempt? The CIA Part 2 Study Guide 2025 by Zain Academy is your ultimate companion for mastering the internal audit engagement under the latest IIA syllabus. What's inside? 915 questioning mind study points. Challenge your thinking and develop deep conceptual clarity. 700 true-false questions. Instantly validate your understanding and eliminate exam confusion. 451 fill-in-the-blanks. Improve memory retention and active recall with engaging knowledge drills. 528 one-word answer questions. Build laser-sharp precision for objective-based exam formats. 159 matching questions. Practice critical association and real-world application of audit concepts. 133 memory aids and mnemonics. Memorize complex concepts effortlessly. 71 mind maps. Visualize your learning and quickly revise core ideas before the exam. 196 practical examples. Learn how internal auditing applies in corporate, government, and nonprofit settings. 303 key learning outcomes. Track your progress and ensure every topic is well understood. Why choose the study guide? Fully aligned with the IIA 2025 syllabus. No outdated content. Everything is relevant, updated, and exam-focused. Printable, device-friendly PDF format. Study on any device, anywhere, anytime. No restrictions. Lifetime access. Prepare at your own pace without worrying about subscription renewals. Complimentary WhatsApp and email support. Get guidance when you need it, until you pass. Integrated learning approach. From theory to application, this guide delivers a complete preparation journey. Zain Academy's Power Guarantee. We are so confident in the effectiveness of this study guide that we offer complete support until you pass. Thousands of CIA candidates have trusted Zain Academy, and now it's your turn to join the success story. Who should purchase this? If you are serious about passing the CIA Part 2 exam in 2025, this study guide is your fastest, smartest, and most cost-effective solution. It's designed for internal auditors seeking a structured, guided preparation, self-study learners who want high-quality resources without high-priced coaching. Start your journey today. Don't settle for generic textbooks or scattered resources. Invest in the CIA Part 2 Study Guide 2025 by Zain Academy and take control of your CIA exam preparation. Grab your copy now. Pass with confidence. Succeed with Zain.